Good day everyone. Today I'm going to demonstrate how am I going to use Streetseen to create a study. In this case we're going to take a polygon shot of the center of Madrid and create a couple of photos in which we are going to determine whether this building is an old or new, because there are a lot of buildings that look old but they are just reconstructed. So the description would be to determine which building is truly old or not. Okay, so let's get going. We're going to put the question here, which is which building do you think is old? Is, let's say, really old, because this is a really old part of the city. So let's go and hit share our research. We're gonna say yes, so we're going to create the study. Just waiting for it to download, and here we are. We are already in Madrid here. Add area to study. Center of Madrid. Is this building old or new? So we're going to add it to the name here. And it's still loading. Let's just wait a little bit. This is a laptop, so it's a little slow where I live, which is not a good network connection. So let's just bear with me. Let's say which building is really old in Madrid. And so we're going to describe it again, is to see if viewer can identify which building is really old. So we're going to go to Madrid, center of Madrid. So let's just hit there, go and try to enter the city. Have to move a little bit to the center, so we hit again, and let's just keep moving the map until we are really centered ourselves. And we're gonna just delete that one, and let's see. Okay, we're right on the spot, which is this area right here, and let's mark it. Let's continue moving towards the center, right there where the Plaza Mayor is. It's a very high touristic area, and that's where historically the kilometer number 0 exists. So by the time of the Roman Empire, that was the actual center of the area. So let's see here, Plaza Mayor. Let's just put another polygon here. Let's put a polygon here. And let's move it a little bit right over here. Right here. Let's see if, okay, we'll just keep it in this area. Let's keep ourselves contained. And look at all this area right here. Let's just put it all together and see what happens. What kind of photos are we going to retrieve from this polygon? This is the Hotel Plaza Mayor. Let's see, all this area, it's a pretty old area. Let's see, okay. And now we're almost covered the whole area. And right there, right there. And we have almost our whole entire polygon is right there. And let's just kind of wrap it up with one more right here. And we're going to ask for, let's say 100, and see what happens. 100 images, and let's put them about 5 meters apart, and let's save and see how many are we going to collect. We're just waiting and see. Wow, it's multiplying a little bit. Oh, so they only found 45. Oh, 54. There's some coming along, so we'll see what happens. Found 72, 74, so I guess we're gonna get 100. See how easy it is to use. It's very user friendly, and we can retrieve a lot of data quickly. Oops. A lot of data quickly. Now, well, let's see. There's a little bit of problems with my computer right now, so let's try to see. Oh, we get some nice photos here. And just because it's a demo, you can actually edit them and do all kinds of really nice things. But what we'll do is that we will keep them all, okay? And that image, that wasn't a good one, so we're definitely going to delete that one. This one we don't need. We're gonna confirm that we want to delete that one, and to have a nice, let's just go through them just a little bit. And there are this one has shadows, this one is kind of dark, but let's just keep them all just for the sake of the demo. So as we actually saw, the system retrieved 77 images all around the center of Madrid, which we're going to launch to conduct our study. So after launching, you will no longer be able to change the question, add new areas, add, remove, or modify images. So let's launch to study. It's just a little slow, so bear with us. We have no votes yet, but let's see what happens. And what kind of images are we going to have? The real optimum is to spend your time editing all of the images like I did. There's our map, back with our polygon, and we're ready to vote. So let's get there. And there we are. Which building do you think it's really old? And let's move the image. My computer is a little slow, so you have to bear with me. There we go. It just takes a little time. And there we are. Which building do we think it's really old? Let's start voting. I think this one. It's older than this one. So we'll hit number 2. See what happens. You have 3 options. You have option number 1. We have the first vote. We have option number 2, and then we have the third option, which is that we can't decide. We can no longer see which one is older. So there we are. And this is it. And this is how you make your studies on Streetseen. Pretty easy. This is Lucia Jahaira Perez reporting from Madrid, Spain. It has been a pleasure doing this demonstration, and you all have a great day, and I hope that from now on you should be able to use this demo and to determine which study you want to conduct. Thank you very much.